Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Disney Tokyo Seas, which I'm so excited about. They have the new Fantasy Springs area and I am so ready for this park. We had a great time at Disneyland, which you can go watch that vlog if you'd like. I am so beyond ready to come here. I have been dreaming of this park for so long. We are checking out at the Disneyland Hotel today, which is sad because we had the most stunning view and I'm going to miss waking up to the castle. Like, you could literally see the castle outside our window and we literally could see like the lights and everything. It was unreal. We'd open our window and we'd have Disney ambiance and it was wonderful. But we are going to be checking into the Miracosta Hotel today and I will give you guys a room tour for that for sure. And then we're going to Tokyo Disney Seas, so we're going to be spending the day doing all of that, and we have fast passes for Rapunzel and Peter Pan and Frozen. We have it all, and I'm so excited. Let me show you guys my outfit real quick. I did an aerial bound because there's a mermaid lagoon. Put on this little piece, which is just like a little necklace that I tied around my waist, the green dress and purple top to represent Ariel, and then I have a little pearl necklace, which kind of just adds the finishing touch, and then I have a bow in my hair, which I'm sure we will see at some point. Finished breakfast here at the Disneyland Hotel. I will say the buffet was not that great, but you know what? It's giving us energy to survive the day. And then we are going to head on the monorail now. I'm glad we get to ride the monorail because we were just walking distance, but I feel like the whole Tokyo Disney experience, like, you need to like look out one of those Mickey monorails windows. Ugh, so excited. So let's go do that and let's go have literally the most magical day ever.
Do I get it?
Sure.
It's so cute.
船長がどうしたことに乗って、まずはウェンディとマイケルを探す。それからジョンを救うんだ。了解。で、みんなも来てくれるよね。ロストキッズ全員の力が必要なんだ。
そうだ、みんなが僕みたいな雪だるまを
Alrighty, we just checked into the Hotel Miracosta, and I wanted to give you guys a little room tour. The aesthetic of the hotel is aquatic, I guess. It's like ship. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, it's like a ship theme. And then here is the bathroom. And then, of course, we have a lovely mirror. This setup is so aesthetic and nice. And as always, they give you free amenities, and all of these look lovely. And then the little Mickey door is so cute. You come in here and you have a shower room just like the hotel in Disneyland, Tokyo Disneyland. And then we come over here, and again, the room is very spacious. I love the size of it. We don't feel crowded or anything. And then we've got some wall art. It's definitely giving like a nautical, like old time, like Venetian, Roman kind of feel. It's very like, this feels like you just came off from sea. We have a TV here, and then we have a beautiful park view. You can see part of the sea, I guess, and you can see part of the park. It's so gorgeous, and it's so gorgeous and spacious. I'm definitely looking forward to staying here. Our last day at Disney. Like yesterday was our last like Disney parks day, but we were leaving the hotels this morning, and I'm so sad. It's actually a sunny, beautiful day today. Well, it's overcast, but it looks like it's going to be sunny. But I'm so sad to be leaving this gorgeous hotel. We went back to the Disneyland Hotel last night, and I know I didn't really share too much. I did get to film the Duffy and Friends show, so I did put that in there. Hold on, let me show you the monorail real quick. Oh my gosh, it's the Duffy and Friends one. Yay, I'm so glad that I got to see this one more time, because I saw it for the first time this morning, and look how cute they all are. Yes, I know Charlotte's excited that I got it too, because we literally screamed when we saw it for the first time. Sad that we didn't get to film too much yesterday, but we did get to enjoy the day because of that. Like, I wasn't on my camera or anything. I am really gonna miss Tokyo Disney so much. Disneyland Park was amazing, but I feel like Disney Seas was incredible, and Fantasy Springs is probably my favorite place ever. I loved it so much there. Although the whole park in general is like huge and it's kind of confusing, but I kind of like that it was so different too. I'm definitely going to be missing this park so much. Today we are taking the bullet train to go to Osaka, and I've never been on a bullet train before, so I'm very excited about that. And then tomorrow is my birthday, and we are going to Nara Park, and we're going to be feeding the deers. I'm so ready for that.